RayIntersectBox. In this plugin we have two boxes inside. If we go to Relation Constraint and just have a look at the Nail 3D category, we will have here rayIntersectBox, it's one, and the second one is sphere Coords. So it's two experimental boxes, and let me show us a small example how to use them. So rayIntersect, it's a box for determining the intersection point between the ray direction and some geometry polygonal object. So right now this relation is disconnected. We have the source, it's our sphere, it's a polygonal mesh. Then we have the ray start point and ray stop point to have the direction of our ray. And as the result of this, we have the point which in global coordinates is the point of intersection between the ray and mesh. So as I said, it's experimental, that's why sometimes it misses some values or direction. That's why it's only for, I think, for learning or for practicing, or maybe for some prototyping. Okay, the next one that I would like to show, which is included in this plugin, is sphere Coords. Sphere Coords I was using this plugin for making some advanced rigs. So it very close in meaning to what we have in Pose Reader box. Here we have ray, which is our joint. For example, it can be upper arm joint, and we rotate this joint in either angles. But if we determine our sphere and these joints as the ray, as the result we will have a values as the sphere chords like U and V chords on our sphere, and these values we can see in I connected it to user parameters, and when I rotate it you can see these values are changing from 0 to 1, and it's a sphere chords or position of the joint. So it can be useful for making some rigs when you don't want to flip the axis, just not to connect directly to X, Y, Z rotation, but to use some different spherical coordinates, U, V values to make some additional secondary motion effect.